Hi guys, it's Starstruck Hair at Starstruck Hair on Instagram, Davis Smith on Facebook, and we are applying a lace frontal today. We are doing a lace frontal quick weave. So as you can see, the cap is already on. I'm removing the cap. I'm using some shears, and I am just cutting, snipping the front. And I'm going to push the front back with my eyebrow archer and remove the excess stocking cap away from the skin, stopping it at the hairline. And we are pulling the cap away from the skin, nice and smooth. So now we're going to put our glue. I use the dot method because it is so easy and it's not messy, and you have amazing portion control, so I love to use the dot method. Okay, so now we have the lace on. We're going to smooth it back with our rat tail comb. We're actually smoothing the lace over the skin for a more natural look. And that's what the girls want these days. No exaggerated heavy hairlines. They want a very natural look. And that's what I'm trying to give my client right now. And we're going to cut up by the ears first because those need to settle first. So now we're taking off lace over around the hairline. We're going to push a little bit of the lace back away from the skin, whatever, because sometimes the glue goes a little bit beyond the hairline or where we want the hairline to be. But that's all right though. You just take your scissors and you just move that part back. Now we are sewing the lace frontal onto the new cap. My client is getting a frontal quick weave, so she has a new cap sewn down in the back and secured in the front. So we're just going to attach it and get ready to put our tracks in. I have my Nairobi spone because I want the front to be very, very flat, and this helps out a lot. And you can use any foam, it really doesn't matter, but I try to stay away from all of the heavy ones. This one isn't heavy at all, and it gives you a nice finish without feeling any hard, heavy residue. So Nairobi is definitely my favorite. Now we're going to go in the front of the hairline, and we're going to work that in. Now you have to be very quick with this. If you're not quick, the lace will lift and it will peel off like a sticker. So you ladies and you guys do have to be very, very quick when you do this. Speed is very important. We're going with some styling tape. We're going to take her off and put her under the dryer. Now that she's complete under the dryer, she's dry, we want to take a look at our meltdown. Okay, we're going to remove the styling tape just like this, and we're going to peel it back so we can get a preview of what it's going to look like. Let's see. Ooh, it's so pretty. So what we're going to do now is, sometimes when you use styling lotions or foams, it will leave the hair a little stiff, so we're just combing it out, bringing the softness back into the hair. We're getting ready to apply tracks. We're just applying some tracks to the back. My client had 3 bundles, so we attached those. And now we're going to try to apply some baby hairs to the front. My client wanted baby hairs with this service. So as you can see, I'm putting spritz on the hair to lay it down flatter. And I use Got to Be Blessing Free to lay down her baby hairs. Perfect. Not too much. I'm using my T3 curlers to give her some nice barrel curls. I use the T3 curler because it's so efficient with time and it's quick. They are expensive, but the amount of money you spend On the tool, you make up for it with time. It curls so quick, it's effortless. We just put some layers in the front. We're notching the front of the hair. And it just adds volume just that quick. Just those couple of snips will add volume. And we are all done. My client is completely satisfied. She's so pretty. Thank you guys so much for watching.